Hello guys. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Maayong buntag. Kumusta ang tanan, guys? Excuse me. Wapay pag uli. I just got home from work and last Friday I asked my coworkers if she can get me a cassava fruit. Do you know what you call that? Cassava. Cassava. Oh no. I don't know if I am right. Called this one in the Philippines in Cebu is a kamuting kahoy, no? And she bought two for me, and now I wanna cook it. Poto. I don't know what you call that here, but well anyway, I'm gonna show you guys that I already filling it. I remove the peeling and I show you what it looks like. And I will show you what it looks like and then I will show you how I make it. This is what it looks like. I cut in half. I have only two and I cut in half. So easy for me to remove the skin, thick skin. And that is the filling. And this is my big basin, and this is what I'm gonna use for I'm not sure if I do it right, but when I was young and then my parents, we eat this, guys. If we don't have rice, we don't have money to buy, we eat this. We have, well, we plant it, and also if we don't have, we go to the neighbors and ask, and we um, grate it, and then not grind. We use like this in the Philippines, the same. And then my parents cook it for us. I miss it. I miss very much for what we're doing in the Philippines. Even we don't have money, we're together and happy. We are all siblings, 10 plus my mama and papa. But we never experienced that we separate. We are all together until get married, all of us. And we don't have food. We don't have rice. We eat this. Every fruit, whatever it is very useful. Very useful, helpful. Well, anyway, I'm gonna start, guys. This is what we're doing, guys. We squeeze it until no more juice come out before you cook it. See? You mix it. After this one, you mix it with coconut and sugar. Just a simple cook and bake it. Cassava, right, huh? Huh? You don't know? I'm not sure. Cassava, right? Honey. Alright, that's it, huh? Try this one. I use the big basin, guys. I use the big basin because I thought when I grading, it's you know, but it's just so tiny. A brown sugar, I put it in a coffee mix, but it's a brown sugar. See, brown sugar. Okay, we don't want too sweet. A little bit cinnamon. And then we'll mix it. Coconut. I only use a little bit. Okay. And there you go. Be careful, Princess. My daughter, she's cooking too. Look. Princess, say hi.
Hi.
She's cooking her breakfast. Pancake. And this is what I make. See? Cassava.
Now let's get another pancake rolling.
Don't get burned in there.
Whoa.
Go ahead, get your.
You gotta wait a little so I can spark me.
It's fine. Right.
Okay, come on.
Don't get burned.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can't spark at me.
You want me to do it?
No.
Go ahead.
Hey, come on, please.
You see, you're so far. Oh, that's it. That's a lot.
I didn't get the spark. Now I just gotta let it cook.
No more water.
Hi. No. Temperature rising up.
All right. This is it, guys. Look at that. It's very hot. Oh, there you go. What do you think, guys? It's right? I really don't know how many minutes, hours, seconds. I don't know. It's done for me. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Click the notification, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.